The SCO meeting in China and visuals from the event is making news for the BRICS countries. Bonhomie on display with Russia, India and China leaders and their chemistry grabbing the limelight. Look at the visuals on your screens. The meeting is taking place at a time when India-US relations are going through a rough phase. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in fact, held talks with Russian President Putin. However, Prime Minister Modi's first visit to China in 7 years and the positive chemistry between Chinese President Xi Jinping and Modi shows that India-China are looking to normalize ties. But let's listen in to what Prime Minister Modi said at the summit on relations with Russia and Putin.
कठिन से कठिन परिस्थितियों में भी भारत और रूस हमेशा कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर चले हैं। हमारा करीबी सहयोग न केवल दोनों देशों के लोगों के लिए बल्कि वैश्विक शांति, स्थिरता और समृद्धि के लिए महत्वपूर्ण है। एक्सेलेंसी, यूक्रेन में चल रहे संघर्ष के विषय में हम लगातार चर्चा करते रहे हैं। हाल में किए गए शांति के सभी प्रयासों का हम स्वागत करते हैं। हम आशा करते हैं कि सभी पक्ष कंस्ट्रक्टिवली आगे बढ़ेंगे।
All right, and before we wrap up this edition, let's tell you how with that bonhomie between leaders of India, China and Russia, particularly between Russian President Vladimir Putin and Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on display, the Western media is highlighting how US President Donald Trump and his tariffs might have pushed India closer to Russia and China. In fact, leading publications across the globe published articles as to how the BRICS bonhomie on display at the SCO summit in China was a result of US President Donald Trump's tariffs against India. In fact, let's tell you, the reports also claim that Xi Jinping was leaving no stone unturned to ensure that countries affected by Trump's tariffs turn to China for improved cooperation and trading. In fact, we decode that big story tonight at 8 p.m. on India Tonight, so do join us then as well. But for the moment, that's all I have for you in this edition of News Now. Thank you very much for joining in.